As the world leader in developing natural solutions for healthy lifestyles, Young Living has an amazing selection of products to support you in your personal, family, and work routines.
Everybody deals with emotional stress.
The Freedom Release Kit has 5 essential oils that are actually formulated into a protocol by our founder, Gary Young, to help your brain release those negative emotions.
Well, Freedom is an oil that helps you release negative experiences, release negative emotions. To use Freedom oil, they suggest that you take 2 drops of Freedom and you place that on the bottoms of your feet. In fact, the kit actually comes with instructions that tell you exactly what to do for all of the oils that we're going to mention.
One of the components is grief. Grief over what was, grief over life not being perfect. Joy Blend, placed over the heart, 2 drops over the heart, allows your body to create peace and calming and release and adapt to those feelings of grief.
1 to 2 drops of transformation on your wrist, and transformation helps you release, to let go of the things that are holding you back.
Once you've done the work of digging up deep hidden emotions and deep hidden hurts, we need to get those out. We need to allow the brain to release them and get them out of your nervous system so that they're not taking up space, they're not taking up shop, and their tent is no longer in the campground. Divine Release is a blend to allow those to be removed from your nervous system. You place 2 drops over the temples or over the crown chakra.
You take 1 to 2 drops of TR Care and place that on the backs of your earlobes. This is a place where it just helps you rewrite your identity.
With essential oils, we're able to rewrite that whole system and create new pathways for health, happiness, and wholeness.
The Freedom Release Kit is perfect from anyone suffering from negative life experiences. It's also perfect for anyone who wants to release frustration, anger.
We believe that both of these kits are great additions to your life.